Before using the stove, ensure that the area is clean and free from any flammable items. Make sure to open windows for proper ventilation. Check that the gas supply valve is open or the cylinder is correctly connected and turned on. To ignite the burner manually, turn the knob to ignite and use a matchstick or lighter. For automatic ignition, turn the knob to ignite and press or turn the ignition button until the burner lights up. Adjust the flame to the desired level and make sure it is steady and blue. If the burner does not light, turn off the knob, wait a few seconds, and try again. After use, turn off the burner completely and close the gas valve if using a cylinder. If you smell gas, do not ignite the stove. Turn off the gas supply, open windows for ventilation, and contact a professional if needed.